Hey, this is Brandon from Fantastic Share back with another video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like the content. Today I'm going to be doing a demonstration with the Mizani press agent. I used this product on my mom's hair before, but the first time that I used it, I didn't use as much product as I did this time. So I used a pretty good amount. The first time that I used this, I used probably half of that. My mom was going to be going to Georgia for a family reunion, and at this time of year, it was still kind of rainy and humid. So I wanted to see how well this product would work with her going to a place that's more humid than where we live. However, it had been raining in our city for about prior to this, so the last few days. And I put her under the dryer with those twists. Now I'm just going through using the tension method to start her blow dry, adding some extra heat protecting because I'm just very cautious about heat on hair. I don't want to heat damage anybody's hair. Press Agent is a two-part thermal smoothing system with the Raincoat Styling Serum as well as the Raincoat Styling Cream. And these products have agave extract, argan oil, UV filter, and heat protection up to 450 degrees. Customize your smoothing experience with the Press Agent Raincoat Styling System for blow dry and silk press perfection. Wrap your texture with Press Agent Raincoat Styling Cream to help protect your smooth styles from heat damage up to 450 degrees. Achieve those sleek goals without compromise and with love. System contains both cream and serum. After using Press Agent shampoo, conditioner, dispense 2-part Press Agent Raincoat Styling Cream to 1-part Press Agent Raincoat Styling Serum. Enhance, emulsify, apply to wet or damp hair, starting at the ends and work your way to the roots. Reapply as necessary based on the density of hair. Adjust amounts based on straightening needs and hair textures. All right, so I'm just adding a little bit of curls to the ends, and I'm taking very, very large sections to do this. And I'm spraying this Pantene air spray, healthy style and feel. It's alcohol-free hairspray. I really have been enjoying it a lot. Just added some Tea Shine Infusion as a finishing spray. All right, so we got the finished product. Everything came out nice and great, nice and smooth. And then we have here 7 days later. So she was, like I said, in Georgia. It was raining in our city as well. And her hair is still very straight. It's very straight. Just a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of frizz, but not anything to write home about. And then she has a slight wave at her root in the front, but you know that comes from washing your face, towels and stuff like that. But overall, I say it worked really great. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video to anybody who might want to see it. And watch another video. You're not doing nothing else. Thanks. Bye.